Today is extra special because we are going to Ayala Mall, Manila Bay to visit the showroom of the latest properties of Avida. I'm talking about their Centralis Towers at Taft Avenue and Patio Madrigal located naman sa Ross Boulevard Service Road. First up, eto, bare one-bedroom unit sa Patio Madrigal. Very spacious, ang dami mong pwedeng gawing interior design. Plus, meron siyang balcony, which I so love. And the next is the furnished studio unit of Centralis Tower. So pagpasok mo, andun agad yung bathroom na very spacious as well. It comes with a shower, my sink, and of course, toilet. And to make use of the space sa ilalim ng sink, you can have your washer dryer and shelves installed for extra storage. And then when you walk here, eto na yung kitchen. Sink over there, and then yung cookware over there naman. And then you can place your ref over here, and you can also install a couple of shelves for your plates and utensils. And then over here is your potential dining area or, table for anything. Then pwede mong i-mount yung TV sa wall. And then we have the bed. Actually, when you get your unit, you can inquire sa Avida team to help you out with the interior. They can help you out naman with anything you need. So ito yung overview. Pagpasok mo, bathroom, kitchen, the dining, the living room or the bed. And ang daming ways and means to maximize your space without compromising aesthetic, if you know what I mean. Kasi eto ayan na yung living room, kitchen, dining, bed. And then from the bed, you can go straight to your workspace or area. So if you're a young professional, entrepreneur, or OFW even, and you want to live in an area where everything is malapit, from malls to schools to airport and all sorts of entertainment, Centralis Towers or Patio Madrigal is perfect for you. So you can check out their showroom sa second floor ng Ayala Mall, Macapagal, and then see for yourself your possible new home. Just like I did.